Hello everybody. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use a reference management tool for research. So I'll be using the tool called as Zotero. So to begin with, first we'll go to our Chrome browser and we'll search for Zotero. Click the first link that you get, that is zotero.org. So you can see here, it is a personal research assistant that can be used to not only as a reference manager, but also to collect and organize all your content. So you click the download. So it shows you two download. One is the application itself and the other is a Chrome plugin or a Chrome extension. So I've put the Zotero client for download, and the moment I click install the Chrome connector, it will redirect me to Chrome Web Store where it will show me the Chrome extension. So you click add to Chrome, and this will add this particular extension to your Chrome browser. So once it has been added, you can click extensions and you can click pin so that it will always be available next to your address bar. Once the download is over, you can click the file for installation. So it will be an exe file if you are using Windows, or a DMG file if you're using a Mac. So once the installation is over, you will see the shortcut on your desktop on Windows. So let me close this. Okay, let me just search for the Zotero app. So here you can see. So you open your desktop client. And once it opens, you will see it automatically installing the Word plugin. So you don't have to click anything else. It automatically installs even the Word plugin. So it will appear like this. You will have a blank, a new and a blank sheet. So now all we have to do is, you have to go to any website with articles in them. So I will just go to PubMed and let me search for articles on breast carcinoma KI67. So I'll just click search. So once the articles appear on the web page, you can click the Chrome. You can click the Chrome extension. So here you can see that there are 10 articles on this particular page. And let me click the extension. Okay, so here you can see the Zotero. I just click the Zotero extension and now you can see those 10 articles. Now I'm selecting the ones that I'm interested in. So I'm selecting the first and second. So this I'm selecting because I'm using this as the articles for the demo that I'm going to show in the later on in this video. So I've selected the first and second one. And now let me see if there is any other article that I want to add. Okay, I want to add the 6th and the 7th article, 5th and the 6th article too. So this is how it will show you when you have one web page with so many articles in it. So you can see the 4 articles that I have already added is appearing on my desktop client. So next, I want to add this particular article. So what I'll do is, I'll open the article, and now all I have to do is I just have to click the Zotero extension. So if there's only a single article on your page, the moment you click, it gets automatically added into your Zotero desktop client. If there are more than one article, it gives you that checkbox where you have to check. But if there's only one article, same way I want to add this article also. So I'm just clicking the Zotero extension and it automatically gets added to my desktop client. So now you can see that there are 6 articles that I have added, 4 from the PubMed search and 2 from the individual articles. And now to add something from your desktop, all you have to do is drag the article, the PDF file, into your desktop client, and automatically it will identify the article title and the authors. So it may take some time. So you can see it takes around 5 seconds to identify, and you can click the article to even open it inside your Zotero client. So whatever articles are available on the right hand side, you can see the PDF symbol. So that means these articles are freely available and you can see the full article. The ones that don't have the PDF symbol will open using your browser, but here you'll only be able to see the abstract. So these are the articles where the full article is not available for free and it opens it on your browser. So if an article is available for free, it automatically detects it and the PDF will get downloaded into your Zotero client. So you can see there are 3 articles in my selection which are free to access, and these are automatically downloaded into my Zotero client. So this is a good way even to archive all your articles. So this is the routine way of how we use Word and we prepare our references. So here I have 3 lines and I have 3 references, and now I want to add this 4th reference. So now I want to add this reference between the first and the second line. So what I would normally do is I would copy my text and I'll paste it in between the two, in between the first and second line, and I'll manually change the reference number to reference number 2. And since that becomes reference 2, all the subsequent references will need to move by 1 number. So I'll be manually changing it to 3 and 4. And now I even have to add the reference into the bibliography or into the references column. So I'll have to cut that and paste it between reference number 1 and 2. And you will notice every time you do that, it changes the alignment, and once in a while it even adds an extra number. So you'll have to ensure that. So this may look simple when there are only 3 or 4 references, but as you would have experienced, when you have more than 20 references, this is a Herculean task if you're trying to add a particular line in between your para or delete. So now I'll create a new document and I'll name it as, let me just rename it as Demo with Zotero. So and here I'll show you how you can use Zotero to create your references. So let me place them side by side. I'll copy the para that I'm interested in adding the references to. So I'll delete the second line and I'll delete the reference numbers. Okay, done. So now you can see there is a last tab called as Zotero. So once you click that, so I have to just place the cursor where I want the references, click add citation, search for the particular author and hit enter, and you can see my reference number has been updated. So for this line, the reference is of Vandenberg. So I just click add citation, click search Vanden and hit enter. And the same thing for the last one, the reference is of Zhao. Click add citation and search for Zhao and done. Okay, so now to get the references or the bibliography, I'll just type in references, increase the font size. Okay, and now I'll go to the Zotero bar and click add references. So you can see that the moment I click add bibliography, automatically the 3 references have appeared. So now I want to add this second line in between the first and the third lines. So I'll click that. Now I will add that line here. So now I want to add this reference by Hashmi et al. Click add citation, search for Hashmi, click it and click enter. So you can see automatically Vandenberg, who was second reference, has now moved down to third, and Hashmi et al. Has become the second reference. And if you delete the first line, you can see automatically the references will adjust. So if it does not happen, you can just click refresh on the Zotero bar, and it must do it. Sometimes until you click refresh, it may not do it instantly. So you just have to click refresh once and it will automatically adjust. So here if you click document preferences, I can choose Vancouver superscript, and now even your referencing style is not in brackets, but instead is in the superscript format. So if you go to your Zotero desktop client preferences, over there under site, you can search for all the various styles. So here only Vancouver is there. So to get Vancouver preferences, what you have to do is click get additional styles and search for Vancouver. And here in Vancouver, as you scroll down, you will be finding the Vancouver superscript. So once you click it in the desktop client and you have added it here, the same will appear even in your Word client. So initially, if you don't have that superscript option, you just have to add it through your desktop client, and then you will see that it will be available on your this thing. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and click like if you like the video.